Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to learn programming in Java. First, begin by understanding the fundamental building blocks of Java, such as variables, data types, and basic operators. It's crucial to set up your development environment, including the Java Development Kit, or JDK, and an integrated development environment, like IntelliJ IDEA or Eclipse. Start with small, manageable programs to apply what you learn immediately. This hands-on approach is key to building a strong foundation. Once you have the basics down, dive deeper into object-oriented programming, or OOP, which is central to Java. Understand classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, and encapsulation. Practice using control flow statements like if-else, loops, and switch cases. Create your own methods to organize code efficiently. Building small projects, even simple ones like a calculator or a to-do list, will reinforce these concepts and help you see how they connect. To truly master Java, you'll need to tackle more advanced topics. Focus on data structures like arrays, linked lists, and maps, and understand common algorithms. Learn how to handle exceptions gracefully to make your programs robust, and explore file input/output operations. Consider contributing to open-source projects or developing your own applications. This practical experience is invaluable for understanding real-world software development challenges and improving your problem-solving abilities. Learning Java is an ongoing journey, so commit to continuous improvement. Stay informed about new Java versions and features as the language evolves. Engage with online communities, forums, and coding challenges to learn from others and get feedback on your code. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keep practicing, building, and exploring to become a proficient Java developer. Your dedication will pay off.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.